There are thousands of winning ads in the Meta ad library right now. Ads actively running, actively spending money, which means someone already figured out what works in your niche. But here's the problem. Yes, you can see these ads, but making them your own is not that simple. Well, not until now. Because there is a tool called Poppy AI that allows you to search the ad library, find ads that work in your niche, import them, export scripts, and rewrite them for your own product. And in this video, I'm breaking down how I use it step by step. And I will finish this video with a bonus that will allow you to recreate any image ad in seconds. So make sure to watch this video up until the end. This is the tool I'm going to use. It's called Poppy AI and I have been using this tool for the last 4 months, I think. It's a paid AI tool, but what makes this tool different than Claude or ChatGPT is that it has a visual interface. It also reads videos and extracts scripts, and now it can even access the ad library. Let me sign in and show you how you can use this tool, and you can decide yourself if it is a good asset for your business or not. Within Poppy, you work on boards, and that's what I meant when I said that it is visually different than any other AI tool. So basically, you have all the elements in here that you can add to your board, and you have the chat in here to chat with the AI. So if I start a new board from scratch, for example, if I go in here and start a new board, it's going to come as an empty board and I can start filling it. The first thing that I want you to add on this board is context about your brand. Because yes, we are trying to copy other winning ads, but Poppy needs to know more about your brand, more about your products in order to be able to recreate something that actually works for your product. So the first thing I recommend you to do is to add files about your brand and about your product. And you can do that simply in here by adding a text element. So as you can see, you click on text and you add the text in here. You can prepare a small brand brief and paste it in here, and a small product brief and paste it in here. The first thing I have prepared is a brand brief, and I've actually prepared this using ChatGPT because this was the original AI I used for my brand. So I asked it for a brief and I pasted it in here. You can do the same whether you are using Claude or ChatGPT or whatever. And I will name it in here brand brief. The second thing I would do is to add a product brief. So I will go in here, add a text, and paste my product brief in here. And I will call it product brief. Now the next thing I would do is to create a group for everything related to my brand to keep my board organized. So I will go in here to group and I will call this one my brand information, and you can add in here anything that you think it's relevant. So maybe more information about your brand, maybe your about us page content, whatever you find valuable. And I will drag those down in here to have them under the same group. So this is my first group and it is related to my brand. Now that I have my brand information, my next step is to go to the Facebook ads library and import some ads. So as you can see in here, you can access the ad library from here. And in here, I can type either a keyword related to my product or maybe a competitor name. I will go with a keyword. So this is a balancing bike product. So let's search for balance bike and click enter. Now Poppy is returning ads on the ads library that are running under this keyword. You can here sort them by newest, oldest, or longest running. Usually the longest running ads are the winning ones because they have been running for a long time. It means they are performing well, logically speaking. Then you have the filters if you want to filter by platform, by type, by date, whatever you want. And you can scroll in here and preview the ads, play them, see them, and choose which ones you want to import to your board. Let's say now, for example, instead of searching by keyword, I want to search by brand. I can type my competitor's brand name and click search. And as you can see, there are so many ads in here loading that I can choose from. So I can click in here, see the video if I want. I can click in here, watch it. Same.
As a parent, I was terrified.
Same. So let's say I want to add this one to my board. I will click here and click on import. So this is my ad in here and I will name it example ad. The next step is to actually add the AI chat box in here because we want AI to help us to rewrite the ad. I will click here on this tool in here and it is to add the chat. By default, Poppy AI allows you to use Claude, ChatGPT and Nano Banana. So as you can see, there are also other models that you can work with. So it gives you access to the most recent AI tools. I will stick to Claude and minimize this to go back to my board. So now I have my group in here, I have my ad in here. The first thing I would do is to extract the script. So what I need to do is to link the ad to the chat like this. As you can see, it's all visual. And in here, I will ask it to get me the script. Get the script of the example ad. Let's make this big. And as you can see, Claude returned the script of the video. And it's exactly the same script mentioned in the video. If we go back in here and listen to this one, we will find the same script. So now I have my script. What I need to do is to rewrite it to respect my brand guidelines, my product benefits, and so on. So now I will detach this, attach my brand in here, and I will write the following prompt. With Poppy, you don't need to make things complicated. The prompts can be super simple, and if you didn't understand from the first time, you can rewrite it, but you don't need very big prompts. So I will make it full screen, and this is a prompt I use using the attached brief for context. Recreate the script for my Montessori tiny cruiser bike. So let's click on enter. So as you can see, it recreated the script for me and changed the information to match my own product. I don't recommend you to exactly copy the same script. I was just showing you how easy you can do it. But what I recommend you to do is to gather several ads, several scripts, and ask Claude AI to find patterns, common patterns between these scripts, and come out with a new script that works for your product. All of this can be done easily with Poppy AI. You can keep this board, keep your brand information in here, and always use them to link back and forth and to rewrite or recreate anything for your product or for your brand. But this is not where the magic of Poppy AI ends. Because also with Poppy AI, you can recreate any image ad in seconds. There is one limitation, and I'm going to show you how you can work around it. We will do the same thing. We will go to the ad library and check for balancing bikes. And this time we'll be looking at images instead of looking at videos. So let me scroll and see what do we have. Let's say I want this to recreate this image. I will click and click import. Well, in the case of images, Poppy is unable to read graphics. Even for the videos, Poppy can't read a video if it doesn't have a voiceover. It must have a voiceover in order to be able to extract the script. So for the video, it's the same limitation. What you need to do is to actually import the image in here. So it's not enough to add the image in here from the ad library. You need to import the image as an image. I've already went to the ad library of this brand and downloaded this image in order to have it as an image in here. So I will import it, and you can do this by simply clicking on the icon in here. And by the way, to get an image ad from the ad library, you can simply do a screenshot of the ad, and that's it. So I will click in here and import my image. So this is the ad image. I will name it example ad, and I will also add my product shot. So I will go in here, click, and upload my product shot. And I will call it product tiny rider. Now my next step is to create the image. So I will go back to my chat and I will start a new chat. And this time I will click on create image because I want to create an image. And as you can see, when you do that, Nano Banana Pro is activated already in here. So the first thing I will do is to link this image. As you can see, when I do that, it's shown in here. Then I will link my product image. And next, I will use this simple, super simple prompt actually. And click enter. And as you can see, we have our image ad in here. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. It's exactly matching the original image, but this time it's showing my product and information about my product. Again, I don't recommend you to copy the same exact ad as your competitor, but this is a very good way to create an image ad in seconds. And if you look at the details of the bike in here and at my original image, you can see that they are very close, like they are almost the same. So what I recommend you to do in order not to become a copycat is to search for ads in a close niche or for close products, not the same exact products like yours, and ask Poppy AI to recreate them. In this way, you will still be inspired from winning ads, but you won't be exactly copying other people because you're basically just getting inspired. You can apply this also for ads with written text, for comparison tables, for stuff like that, and you can create graphics in seconds. So as I said before, the point is not to exactly copy your competitors, but to get inspired from other brands that spent thousands of dollars in testing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it will help you to create better ads quicker. Poppy AI is one of these AI tools that keep improving over time. So if you can afford it, I highly recommend you to test it out and try it. I'm pretty sure it's going to speed up your full content creation process.